Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 2015 Evinrude 25 horse E-Tec. This is a 20-inch transom. This one is remote. Let's see here, 150 psi on top cylinder, 140 on the bottom. New spark plugs. The impeller was inspected. It looked brand new, so we did not replace it. Pressure tested good. New fuel filter and new lower unit lube. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Pumping good water. Try not to trip over the cables here. Didn't have any shorter pairs. And some people are scared of E-Tecs. Doesn't really bother me. They didn't go bankrupt. They just stopped making and selling complete engines. They still make parts for them. So I'm not too worried about that at all. Go ahead and put it forward. Bring it back to neutral. Reverse. This one does have power tilt and trim. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.